Learn English. Vocabulary game. Hello everybody. My name is Vinny. Welcome to Hello Baby English Vocabulary School. We have a website, a Telegram channel, and a YouTube channel. Hello Baby English, all one word. It's game time. Let's begin. Today we're doing adjectives. We have 1 from level 1, 3 from level 2, 4 from level 3, and 2 from top level. Some of these have other meanings. These words have one more meaning in our program. And word number 5 has 2 other meanings in our program. But we are only doing adjectives. Let's begin. Number 1. Hurry up. You are late. You could also say a late bus or a late movie. Late is an adjective here. Let's go home now. The game is, this means finished or ended. The game is over. Over is an adjective here. Thank you very much. You were very helpful. 1 L. Jennifer gave us a very explanation. This means it was easy to follow. It was easy to understand. It was a very clear explanation. Their child is the student in the whole class. This means the best or the most difficult or the highest. The top student. Top is an adjective here. Do you have a plan for the future? Do you have a solid, firm, sure plan? Concrete. Do you have a concrete plan? Concrete is an adjective here, and it is also concrete here is a metaphor. This is really important when you're learning English, so if you don't know what it means, please check your dictionary. If something is covered in oil, it is, for example, your hands or maybe a rag. It is oily. The water in the lake is not moving. It is, the water is still. It's not moving like in a river. Those people don't need any help from anyone. This means they have their own food, they have their own houses, they have everything they need. Because they are self-sufficient. They are self-sufficient. Do you think that the penalty for that crime was? This means fair. For example, someone committed a crime and then went to jail for 2 years. Just. Just is an adjective here. It means fair. See you next time. Bye-bye.